Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video today, I'm going to quickly show you how to pay with Shein Wallet on Shein. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Shein and then log into your account. You need to log into your account. Once I've logged in here, so now if you want to pay using your Shein Wallet for any of your purchase, so firstly just add something to your checkout. So just add something to your cart so that we can check out. So I'm just adding some to my cart, and then let me get to my checkout page here. So that's my checkout here. Okay, so this is, I've added this item on my checkout. So now on my cart here, so I'm going to check out with this. So my amount is $12. So I'm going to click on checkout. So when you get to your checkout page here, so once this loads here, so if you scroll down under payment methods, you will see all the different type of payments available based on your region. And if you want to use your Shein wallet, so on your right side here under the order summary, you will see an option called coupon code, gift card, all those options. Click on view more, and then here you will see this wallet credit information like field here. So here what you have to do is simply type the amount that you wish to use from your credit. So if you my order value is $20. So suppose if I have $20 in my credit in my Shein wallet, if I want to use the whole amount, I just have to type in 20 and then hit on apply. If it's grayed out, that means that you don't have sufficient credit in your wallet. So that's why it's grayed out for me, because I don't have any funds in my Shein wallet. So here, so if you want to use the whole amount, so you can put the whole amount, or if you just want to use part of an amount, a certain amount only, so type in that value here and hit on apply, and that will redeem, and then your payment value will be adjusted according to your preference. And then what you have to do is simply hit on continue to payment and complete the payment. So that's pretty much it. So that's how you use or pay with Shein wallet. So hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.